Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, these are all previous year question papers. Please remember, I had given in a one-liner questions. I request you guys to check my playlist. You will find up to part 97. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the part 98. So initially we have the brightest planet in our solar system, that is Venus. This is the only planet we can see without any kind of Hubble's, whatever the telescope we have. Without the telescope we can see. That is the reason this Venus is known as morning or evening star, which directly can be visible with the help of apna our eye. The sun shines vertically on the equator for twice in a year. So just above the equator we have the sun directly shines vertically over the equator. In every year twice it happens. The planets are non-luminous bodies that don't twinkle. We knew that we have the planets, the main light whatever we see, they are not luminous, they are all non-luminous bodies because they can't give the directly light. Because of the sun only we get the light from the sun and directly lit over the respective planets, that is non-luminous bodies that don't twinkle. The area in which deodar tree, as you can see to the right side how exactly deodar tree looks like, this is commonly found in which places? That is found in tropical evergreen forests. We find this deodar tree. The Niger river falls in the Gulf of Guinea. As you can see, the river that is Niger, which falls in the Gulf of Guinea. The Annapurna mountain peak is located in which place? That is located in Nepal. That is Annapurna peak. Victoria Island, as you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like, it is situated in Arabic Ocean. In this Arabic Ocean, the island of Victoria, which is located in Arabic Ocean. The solar eclipse achieved totally only in limited geographical region because the trajectories of the earth around the sun and the moon around the earth are not perfect circles. This is, you have to remember, what are the solar eclipses that achieve totality only in limited geographical region because the trajectories of the earth around the sun and the moon around the earth are not perfect circles. That is the reason we have the solar eclipse. The coldest water current is known as what? Labrador. These are the coldest water currents. You can see how exactly Labradors happens with the help due to the ice. That is even Himalayas we have, with that we will have the coldest water currents, that is Labrador. The lines drawn on a map through places having equal heights above the sea level are known as, those lines are known as contour lines. They are all drawn on the maps having the equal height above the sea level. Next we have the Almaty Dam that is being constructed between the Andhra Pradesh as well as Karnataka. That dam had been constructed between these two states, that is between the Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The cities are connected by Grand Trunk, that is GT road. Those cities are Kolkata and Amritsar. These are the two cities which are connected by this Grand Trunk road. That is Kolkata and Amritsar cities have been connected with the help of GT road. The deepest mine in India, that is located at which place? We knew that whatever the movie had been taken, that is KGF, Kolar Goldfield. So in this deepest mine in India is in Kolar Goldfield. So that is located in Karnataka. The dam Indrasagar project, Maheshwar Hydel Power project, that is Jobat project, they are all on the river. Which river? That is on the river Narmada. You can see Indrasagar dam and Maheshwar Hydel Power project and Jobat project. Everything you will find on the river Narmada, which originates from the Amarkantak. Next we have the largest coal deposit in India is in Brahmani Valley. So this is what you have to remember. the largest coal deposit in India is Brahmani Valley. Next we have the longest river of Karnataka. In Karnataka it is Krishna. In Tamil Nadu it is, again we have the Kaveri, but in South India that is Godavari. You can see that is one thing you have to remember. So here, as you can see to the right side of exactly the major coal fields of India, there looks like, and the location. So here largest coal deposit, they are in the Brahmani Valley. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join on Defense ICTA Telegram. There are more than 800 plus question papers have been given. It is segregated in a different playlist. Please go through them and let us see what we have the next slide. The problem of flood arise in Ganga, that is due to much melting of ice from the Himalaya. So that is, we knew that whatever the river that flows from the glacier melting, those rivers are known as perennial rivers. With this ice melting, we have this much melting of ice takes place from the Himalayas, it happens. So next we have the biggest state in terms of area is Rajasthan. So please remember whatever the biggest state in the terms of area, that is Rajasthan. The biggest quality of marble is available at Makrana. As you can see to the right side of exactly the marble looks like, so which is available at Makrana. So that is the quality of the marble. The river that falls in Bay of Bengal is Mahanadi. So we knew that this Mahanadi flows through the Orissa. On this river, the Mahanadi, the Hirakund Dam is constructed. Next we have the Salal project is on the river, that is Chenab river. That Salal project had been constructed. The major plantations of rubber area found in Malaysia, maximum production of the rubber takes place in the Malaysia. But in the case of India, we have in Kerala maximum rubber trees are found. The Dehradun is a part of Shivalik Hills, that is, we should remember Dehradun is the one which is a part of Shivalik Hills, and this is the capital of Himachal Pradesh, that is Shimla, and Dehradun is Uttaranchal, is the Dehradun. Here the rivers Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet. The place is known as Devaprayag. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, they directly mixes, and this place is known as Devaprayag. The river Narmada has its source from Amarkantak. The Narmada originates. Next we have the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word. It is not work, it is word. Monsoon is derived from which place? This had been taken from the Arabic word. El Nino, La Nino we have. In this El Nino, it is a warm ocean current. There is a cold ocean current, that is La Nino. El Nino is warm. The acid that present in the curd is lactic acid, and the bacterium which is present is lactobacillus. Next we have the largest deltaic plain of the world is Ganga Brahmaputra plain is the largest deltaic plain of the world. The epicenter is used to describe, that is earthquake is the one you can see. The epicenter is used to describe, that is used for the describing of earthquake. Dudhwan National Park, as you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like. This is situated in Uttar Pradesh. So we knew that Uttar Pradesh is famous for sugar cane, as well as the population maximum you will find there, and sugar factories also you will find maximum in Uttar Pradesh. The maximum producer of saffron in India is from the Jammu and Kashmir, which is taken from the flower of this plant, and this saffron is maximum found in Jammu and Kashmir. The highest population of India is we will find in Uttar Pradesh itself. The name given to the soil, that is brought down by the rivers, that type of soil is alluvial soil, which is brought down by the rivers. The highest town in India is that is Srinagar is the place where it is the highest town in our India. This is my mobile number, guys. You can call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. You can directly go through them. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.